Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to address a common issue some of you might be facing with the Banishers Ghost of Ain game on the Epic Games Store. If you find that the game is crashing upon startup, whether it's at the start menu or when prompted to press any button, fret not. I've got some steps to help you troubleshoot this problem specifically for users of the Epic Games launcher. First things first, navigate to the game's installation folder. You can do this by opening File Explorer, then heading to This PC and selecting the C drive. From there, locate either the Program Files or Program Files x86 folder, depending on where your Epic Games installation resides. Inside, you'll find the Epic Games folder. Once you're in the Epic Games folder, locate the Games folder itself. Inside, you'll find the NWD folder. Open that up, and then head into the Binaries folder. From there, navigate to Win64. Here, you'll find the Banisher Win64 shipping.exe. Now, right-click on Banisher Win64 shipping.exe and select Show More Options. From the menu, choose Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut for you to use. Next, right-click on the newly created shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see a field labeled Target. At the very end of the text in this field, after the closing inverted comma, add a single space followed by Epic Portal. Make sure there's only one space between the closing inverted comma and Epic Portal. After making this adjustment, click Apply and then OK to close the Properties window. Now, it's time to exit the Epic Games launcher. Make sure it's completely closed. With that done, use the shortcut you just modified to launch the game. Simply double-click on it, and the game should start up without any crashes. Give it a try, and hopefully, you'll be able to press any key to start the game without encountering any crashes. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.